Did you realize affiliate marketers can be sued? If you're interested in affiliate marketing and you don't know about the legal details of affiliate marketing, what can cause you to be sued and what cannot, then this video is for you. Because in this video, we'll be talking about some common legal violations that get affiliate marketers into legal trouble. And so my hope in this video is to help you avoid any legal trouble you might run into, or at least for you to be able to make well-informed decisions in your affiliate marketing career. So if that sounds interesting to you, definitely stay tuned. So I think we can both agree that no one wants to open their mailbox and get a notice that they're being sued. No one. It doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer or business owner of any other type. Lawsuits are bad news, and they can set your business back a lot or even shut you down. But what many people don't know is that when they get into affiliate marketing, there is legal risk like what's present in any other business. So it's best to know what the possibilities are so you're not caught off guard. So first, before I get started, I want to give a disclaimer that I am not a lawyer and this video should not be substituted as legal advice. If you want custom legal advice, I recommend that you seek a lawyer. So over the last 2 years since I've gotten started in affiliate marketing, I've seen affiliate marketers who are threatened with lawsuits, those who get sued, and those who prevail past lawsuits. And these type of events can be very scary, especially if you don't have knowledge when you run into a legal problem. So it's best to treat legal like you would preventative medicine checkups. Make sure you have a lawyer point of contact and a plan for how to respond if a legal problem was to arise. So I personally hope that you never run into any legal issues with your business, but it's always best to prepare a plan rather than to be too optimistic, to consider yourself exempt from legal problems, and to run into a problem that you're not ready for. So regardless of business model or type, it's best to have 3 points of contact that you can call your power team or your business advisors. And that is an accounting contact, a marketing contact, and a legal contact. So your business advisors can help you to make critical finance, marketing, and legal decisions in your business and help you to grow. So I wrote this article and I'm doing this video right now to inform you of the importance of being knowledgeable about legal issues that can arise in affiliate marketing, and to encourage you to have a legal point of contact as an affiliate marketer, merchant, or business that participates in affiliate marketing. So the legal service that I recommend for those who are starting out with affiliate marketing is Rocket Lawyer. So they will review documents and they will also consult with you if you need legal guidance. So if you're interested in checking that out, you can go to howtoentrepreneur.com/rocketlawyer. So I also have some other recommended resources that you can check out here at How to Entrepreneur if you're interested. My article, 0 to $1,000 with affiliate marketing. If you're just getting started, you might want to check that one out. Or How I Made My First Affiliate Sale. I have that one both as an article and in video. And also some free affiliate marketing training that you can check out and information on how you can get a free website. So definitely stop by howtoentrepreneur.com and look at those resources. So these are some ways that I've seen affiliate marketers fall into legal trouble because they don't understand legal pitfalls, because they follow the advice of others and it backfires, or because they simply don't follow the affiliate marketing best practices that I'll be talking to you about within this video. So to be honest, I really thank God that I haven't been sued, because I have fallen into some of those pitfalls myself and I didn't even know. So some of the things that can get you sued are quite common in the affiliate marketing industry. You might see people who are well established as affiliate marketers and they are doing some of these practices, but it doesn't mean that it's something that you should follow, and it doesn't mean that it's something that you should overlook, because some people end up getting in trouble with the law and some people don't. So after reading this, you might be able to notice more legal violations, and some people are just lucky that nothing has happened to them. So here are 12 common issues in affiliate marketing that can get you sued. Number 1 is FTC noncompliance. The Federal Trade Commission, or the FTC, has been cracking down a lot on quite a few practices within the affiliate marketing industry. Scammers are really getting out of control, and if you ask me, they are still out of control. And the internet didn't start out with a lot of policing or a lot of structure. It kind of just took off. And so scammers would use the lack of rules or regulation to their advantage. So people would manipulate income claims, buy fake testimonials, or outright sell a product or service that they have no plans to deliver. And you may have seen some of these things take place. There are lots of corrupt people out there, and unfortunately, if you're in business, you're also subject to more of the public eye. So you can be reported by readers, viewers, or others for something that you did unknowingly. So while it might not be fun, it's important to at least read over the FTC guidelines for doing business online to make sure that you adhere to the rules as much as possible. And then when you are watching different affiliate marketing instructors and they're telling you to do things, you can be knowledgeable about what the FTC guidelines say and follow them instead of just blindly following someone's advice. Number 2 is giving the illusion that testimonials disclosed are average results. I know you've probably seen websites that post glowing testimonials, and they don't talk about what average people are able to do. And it can be very misleading if viewers or readers read a blog post of yours that says that you make $10,000 a month doing surveys or something that is very abnormal, and you don't disclose that the results are abnormal. If someone perceives that they can also earn $10,000 a month from surveys based on what you wrote, it can cause them to want to jump into something without making a well-informed decision. And in a statement written by Kendra Stephen on the Huffington Post, she mentioned that the FTC guidelines apply to how you present testimonials on your website. So it's important that when you write testimonials that you disclose results, and you also place a statement that says results vary, or this doesn't represent an average of those who follow this advice. Something that makes it clear that the results that are reported within the article are not standard. It shouldn't be a normal expectation. There's more effort involved, or something that makes it clear that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something that you can easily duplicate. Number 3 is not disclosing average results. So adding to that, it's also important to say the average results that people who try what you're talking about may get. For example, I write a lot about affiliate marketing, but I know that most people who try affiliate marketing fail. So it's important for me to disclose this fact in a prompt way so that people will not perceive it as an easy thing to do or a get-rich-quick scheme. And so a lot of people may consider me somewhat harsh in how direct I am with talking to them about realistic expectations, because a lot of people come into the affiliate marketing industry perceiving that it's easy, it's quick, and almost like it's a get-rich-quick scheme. And unfortunately, affiliate marketing can require a lot of work, and for the average person, it doesn't work. You have to be very committed to it. You have to be willing to learn the skills. You have to be willing to put forth the effort on a continuous basis to get results with affiliate marketing and most other journeys that are worth going on. So definitely make sure that you're clear about expectations. Number 4, not disclosing affiliate relationships. So many things are written or recorded by affiliate marketers, and that may be sales material. So similar to a salesman for cars or cable, affiliate marketers are paid commissions for sales. And as a result, if this is the monetization method that's in use, they're likely to write sales material. And sometimes the sales material isn't clearly sales material. It could be a review, it could be a buyer's guide, it could be a tutorial, but in the content, the affiliate marketer is recommending a purchase. So the affiliate relationship may cause the reader to weigh the recommendation differently if that affiliate relationship was disclosed. So when it's not openly disclosed, it doesn't give the reader the ability to weigh your recommendation appropriately. And if the reader or the viewer isn't aware of the affiliate relationship, it can come off as being deceitful or lacking integrity. And as a result, it's important to have an affiliate disclosure on your website, or if you do videos on YouTube, to make sure you have an affiliate disclosure or something that says we may get paid from affiliate commissions in your description box. Number 5, GDPR non-compliance. So GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation, and it's basically the biggest law for how to deal with protection and security online. And GDPR originated in the European Union, but considering how the internet is global, website owners across the world are impacted by the regulation. GDPR was a response to the growth of the internet and the security breaches that came along with it. So we have banks, legal firms, accounting firms, and other companies that deal with very private information that are now operating online. So GDPR was put in place to regulate how personal information is shared safely. The guidelines apply to most. The guidelines apply most to those who do business with people from the European Union or those who live in the EU, but considering that website traffic can come from different directions, it's important to know what GDPR is to avoid fees or penalties from violating it. So penalties max out at $20 million plus suits for damages caused to recipients. So this one can be very expensive. It's a very expensive legal problem to be slapped with. So definitely take a look at the GDPR guidelines so that you can be clear on them and you can make sure to avoid any issues there. Number 6 is not reporting income to tax officials. So this one is common because for many affiliate marketers, they get into affiliate marketing to earn extra money. They might have financial constraints in their personal life, so they get into affiliate marketing for a way out. And unfortunately, as the income starts to grow, they may not know when it's the appropriate time to report taxes or to incorporate or to record their income or to hire an accountant and a lawyer, and or even to separate personal income from business income. And so as a result, they end up with a disaster on their hands when they didn't know they were supposed to be paying taxes, or they didn't know what transactions are business and personal, and they have fines and penalties from the IRS or tax officials as a result. So make sure to learn what you need to do to be compliant with your tax officials beforehand. If you are a U.S. citizen, then definitely take a look at the IRS website, irs.gov, and read around on the site so you can see what is required. If you feel overwhelmed by reading on the site, you may want to take a course on tax compliance. They have some really good courses that are very easy to understand over at Udemy, and I have a couple of the courses linked here on this post. So definitely stop by How to Entrepreneur and take a look at some of these courses that I've linked, because I've personally taken them, so I know that they're good courses and that they can help you. Number 7 is slander, defamation of character, or libel. So the internet has been a very welcoming place for people who don't normally have a voice to be heard. Sites like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or Pinterest don't require you to be a celebrity or to be an expert to have an opinion about things, and this can be good or it can be bad. Sometimes affiliate marketers can speak too loosely with their opinions, and they can be sued for defaming someone else's character, for slander, or for libel. So you have to be very careful in your product reviews, in your buyer's guides, or in your articles. You want to make sure that you support statements that you make with facts. Don't make negative comments that aren't warranted. If you use sources, or you have a quote, or you copy a testimonial, make sure that you cite the original source. And also don't make assumptions about what someone meant to do, what they did, or anything else. So comments like, they've priced this product way too high, I bet they're trying to rip people off, that's clearly an assumption, because you don't know for sure that their intention was to rip anyone off. Now, you can assume that, but it's really important not to make a comment that is an assumption, because it can be considered defaming to someone else's character or slander. So you have to be very careful. So I've included some links to different posts that are written by affiliate marketers who ran into different issues with defamation of character or libel, so that you can hear how they handle those issues and what they learned from it. So definitely stop by again and check out these posts. This one was really good. It was a very long lawsuit. Several years went on where they were going back and forth in order to prevail on a lawsuit, an affiliate marketing lawsuit. So definitely stop by and check out these links. Number 8 is trademark or copyright infringement. And it's most common for affiliate marketers to choose a niche, then pick a domain name. And normally there's nothing wrong with that process. So choosing a niche and picking a domain name usually doesn't cause any problems. But in a small percentage of cases, the domain name that's selected is a trademark that's owned by someone else. And in cases like this, you can be forced to transfer the domain to the trademark owner. And this can cause you to waste a lot of your hard work, because maybe your backlinks, your traffic, or the audience that you've attracted around that brand can be completely lost. And so that can be a really, really bad disaster. You want to make sure that the trademark is clear when you purchase a domain. And if you decide to do a website, some affiliate marketers will start a website and include an affiliate partner's name in their domain URL. You want to be very careful with that as well, because they likely have a trademark on their name, on their business name, and a lot of times they'll include in the affiliate in your application, they'll include some documents that let you know what you can bid on in search, in paid traffic, what you can include in your URL, and all of those directions, so that you know ahead of time. So make sure that you read those things thoroughly, and that you understand when you can get in trouble for copyright or trademark infringement. These are some other scenarios that you can run into that can cause problems with trademark or copyright. When you use images on your website, when you use logos of other people, maybe you decide to do a comparison post or a review post or something like that, and you want to include a logo inside of your article. You want to make sure that there is no violations when you do that. When you use images, you can use stock free images or your own photography to avoid different issues with that on your website. When you use a logo that is too similar to someone else's, or the list can actually go on. So you want to make sure that you are reading up and you're knowledgeable when it comes to trademark and intellectual property, because you deal with it a lot in affiliate marketing. So it's important to make sure the name that you're choosing for your business is available for use with the trademark office. You can do a search of the name with the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office or governing authorities in your country. It's also important that you're requesting permission before using someone else's content. And like I said before, that you use stock photos or your own photos, and that you cite sources rather than taking full credit for insight that you're giving. You can also get help with a trademark search when you use a service like Rocket Lawyer. So I've also included some courses on trademark law and copyright protection. There's some really good courses over on Udemy that are done by lawyers and can give you some insight so that you can avoid running into legal problems with these things. Number 9 is plagiarism. And now the internet, it looks like a place where everything's being shared freely. And so sometimes people will think that they can go and copy an image, an article, a video, or an audio clip and put it on their website. Every image, every article, every video, or every audio clip that is online is someone else's hard work and is someone else's property. And so it's important to get permission to use images or other content before you take it. So I've seen several cases where a person used another person's image or another person's testimonial or another person's photography without the permission of the author. And in fact, recently I read an article by an affiliate marketer within Wealthy Affiliate, which is a community that I participate in a lot. But they wrote an article that talked about how someone had come to their website and completely copied everything that they wrote in one of their articles and published it on their own site. Now, this is really wrong, and this is a legal violation. Content that's published online is considered intellectual property, and you can be subject to lawsuits for using someone else's property without their permission. So another little note is that if your content has been stolen, you can actually create cease and desist letters to send out to whoever is the violator, and you can actually have them reviewed by an attorney at Rocket Lawyer. So all of this can be done through a membership there. So that's something else to keep in mind. Number 10 is paying hirees as contractors, but treating them as employees. So employers have different compliance requirements for employees versus contractors. Independent contractors are supposed to be their own entities with their own expertise and their own tools and equipment. And a lot of times when affiliate marketers hire virtual assistants or others to help within their businesses, they're giving them directions, they're providing tools and equipment, or they're training the person to gain expertise. And this is when it should be when it shouldn't be categorized as a contractor. A contractor shouldn't be given set hours. They shouldn't be told how to do things. They shouldn't be required to work exclusively, and they should be a standalone entity. So if you hire someone as a contractor, but you treat them like an employee, you can actually be penalized for that and held liable for back pay of employee taxes and penalties. So definitely make sure that you're clear on the differences between contractors and employees when you go into hiring. There's another course that you can look at that's available in Udemy that's all about the differences between contractors and employees. Number 11, marketing to kids incorrectly. So kids are growing up using computers, smartphones, or other devices. I know mine are. And just a few years back, it was very easy for kids to access content that they shouldn't be able to. And as a result of that, complaints led to the FTC creating more regulation that prevents kids from getting access to things that they shouldn't. And so affiliate marketers have to be extra careful to comply with those regulations for child advertising and other legal regulation to ensure that you don't market to kids illegally, that you're not persuading kids to do something that's not age appropriate, and overall that kids can be safe to learn and to browse online as much as is within their ability. It's really important to read the FTC's guidelines for marketing to kids and their parents, especially if you know that you'll be marketing to kids or attracting kids. Number 12 is choosing affiliate partners with bad reputations or bad business practices. Now, in June of 2018, a company named Mob was shut down for business practices that violated FTC regulation. And when they were shut down, the affiliates of the company were put into investigation also. Some of the affiliates had earned millions of dollars selling this program. So since it was considered a scam by the FTC, the affiliates were also in violation. It's important to choose affiliate partners wisely because the reputation of the merchants that you partner with can reflect positively or negatively on you. Now, that was 12 common violations that happen within the affiliate marketing industry. So I'm hoping that that was very helpful for you. These are the common things that I've seen affiliate marketers run into. So it's important that you protect yourself from these things or other legal problems before anything happens. Many people get into affiliate marketing without realizing that legal, accounting, and marketing still needs to be done. So affiliate marketing turns into a real business if you stick with it. And as a result, legal, accounting, and marketing is a requirement to make money and to grow the business. So if you have questions about any of this, definitely leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to help you out. So that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this where I do product and service reviews as well as buyer's guides and growth strategies to help you grow a business from idea to full-time income and from full-time income to enterprise, then definitely subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified of upcoming videos. That's all I have for this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.